Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Live Translate on the Samsung S22 Ultra converts spoken and typed language in real time. This feature works for calls, voice messages, and Samsung keyboard translations. It uses on-device models for faster responses and improved privacy. Your phone needs One UI 4.1 or later to access all features. Some languages require downloadable packs that are roughly 40 megabytes each. Offline capability reduces data use, but open settings and navigate to advanced features or language and input to find Live Translate. Toggle Live Translate on and grant microphone and phone permissions when prompted. Tap Download Languages and choose the languages you need for calls and typing. Each language pack will be about 40 megabytes, so use Wi-Fi for multiple downloads. After download, test a short call to verify the models work offline. Keep permissions enabled for continuous operation during calls and when using Samsung keyboard. To translate a live call, tap the Live Translate button inside the phone app. Select your language pair so the phone knows which direction to translate. Speak clearly and move to a quiet room for the best transcription results. For improved accuracy, use a wired or Bluetooth headset during calls. For messages, enable Samsung keyboard translation and select the target language. Update language packs regularly and switch languages from the Live Translate menu when needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.